relax. Oh, maybe dirty from the something on the. Oh boy, sorry. I make you very scary on me, but I just want to be explain and tell every one to be my trip today. At the Siem Reap province is my first day, and I am very happy to see my mom and dad. And today, my mom she very busy to cook my food for me with the very delicious food. Cambodian noodle is my favorite food. I eat too much and good morning. Oh, sorry. Good evening, everybody. Every day I am do yoga in the morning. But today I am do yoga at mom house in the evening day. That is the day for everyone surprise yoga in the rainy day. And hope all of you guys be enjoy and do with the yoga season, rainy season at the countryside to make all of you guys feeling good and fresh. Hope everyone watch my video. You feel good, you feel good sleep and make you stress release a lot. Don't waste your time. Please enjoy to be listen the rainy sound and ASMR. Yeah, ASMR out rain. Okay, start your day with me together. Oh my. Oh no, they should come on. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Okay. Cá. Cho ông đặt mau tìm mau về. Oh. So everyone, I'm no need to be explanation. I just want all of you guys to be listen the ASMR. Or my baby can be do translate with the explanation. But for mommy, no explanation. Okay? Just only rain ASMR today. Woo! Oh my. Woo! Very relaxing. Woo! Oh. Yoga under rain. Make. Oh my god. So good. Ah, so good. Oof. Oof. So good. Hey, baby, see you. You want to do yoga with me? Oh my. Ui, okay. Hả? What? Oh, okay. Mommy, no. She said my legging is got wet from the rain coming. I said it's okay. Uh, kids open. You want to kick with me? Hey, why you looking at me? Oh my. And open the hip. Open. Oh. Up. Oh. And twist. Oh. Inhale. Everyone. Exhale. You hello to your friend. And talk explanation for me. You can be say, hey, hello, all the fans. You please enjoy with Mama Yoga with the ASMR brand. And can be like, subscribe Mama video to be reach more audience and popular in the world. Because Mama use the powerful and try my best to do yoga in the rainy day. One more very deep. After you deep, you can be open. Oh, oh, Mama careful with the people in front of Mama. And on the my backward, everybody look see my butt. Oh my God, my neighbor is very lucky to see my butt. Oh, oh, everybody, I'm not fun with you. It's a real thing. So when I watch to people in front of me, they are look to me and what I am doing in front of my mom's house. I just careful with my neighbor on the front, but the people on the back is look at me and see my butt as well. Oh my God, I will be crazy very soon. But I still fine to try my best to show everyone with my yoga in the rainy day. It's not easy, but I try it to be easy. Huh? Yeah, I try it. I need to be relaxed. Okay. Huh? Hey, baby, you don't make me laugh. I will be no power to be start my yoga. And then everyone to be open and straight. Twist your body to the left and your leg open to the right. Hold, 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 hold. To be see the rain coming. To make your feeling is very good. And then everybody inhale back to the center and drop back. Relax with your lower back and fold forward. Drop down your chest and chin on the mat. Oh my God. My mat today, how they are called this mat? Huh? What? In English, what they are called? This one? Banana mat? Oh, no, no banana mat. No. Cái téo tha mấy? Chua lục tàm á. Cái téo tha mấy? Ôi rồi. Banana mat. Ôi rồi. Ôi, chuyện sủa đó. Ôi, chuyện sủa đó. Boy, boy. Do with me, boy. Ôi, boy, boy. Oh, boy, boy. Nè. Ôi, boy. Tít, 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 tít. Oh, oh, boy. Boy. The fan want to see you, huh? You want to kiss me? If you want to kiss me, you can be kissed, huh? And you make my fan jealous with you, huh? Everyone want to kiss me, but cannot. Impossible forever. But maybe you are very, very lucky than them, huh? Okay, good. See everybody, he want to be yoga with me, huh? He a good boy, yeah? He a good boy, huh? He said he want to do yoga with me, huh? But everybody don't jealous with him, huh? I just let him to be sit close to me, huh? And then make me get the powerful back to be try my yoga continue and make me still be very powerful and no tired anymore. Okay, let's continue. Yeah. No. I don't kiss with the dog tail. I don't lick with the tongue. Oh, I'm not crazy, baby. Ôi, anh nâng nâng hai anh. Ôi, ôi, cái chối chết anh nâng. Cái chối chết anh nâng ấy. Okay. Okay, boy. Oh, he very good boy. He very good boy. Yeah.
Hello, you want to say hi to me?
Yeah. Anh on dây à boy mà. Dây à boy mà. You can be explain with the a boy to be everybody know him that the a boy like mama. Hả?
Mà anh thơ ấy.
Oh yes, yeah. No. Oh no, baby, no. Don't do that. A boy want to do the yoga with mommy. Up. Yoga bọc ké. Can chàng. Yes. Ôn tụi mà man tí. Tụi mà man tí ấy. Oh my god. No. It's not good. I will be play more. I try to be play like the yoga, but I cannot. I forgot do with the powerful and make me so tired. But even though I'm trying my best to be my yoga flow in the evening at my hometown. Okay. Ooh. Oh, try. A boy, try with mommy. Doggy, help me. A boy, why you did not listen to me? A boy will be see mama with the half frog pose.
See, I am
The half frog pose is very good for your lower back. When you are feel the pain with your back, you can be to do the half frog pose to make you are feeling good.
Wow.
Everybody, you hear my mama shout? Mama shout. You hear mama shout and she look at me. Honestly, I feel very shy with mama and dad look to me. And the first video that they ask me to do yoga with the real person. Yeah. Yes. Oh, you don't make me lose my energy, baby. You don't make me. Oh, change the side on the left. Open your hip, and you are open your chest to be relaxed with your lower back.
Why you like
To make you are feeling good and relaxing with your lower.
why you like you say you don't plan.
You can be introduce everybody to be make this video boom, okay?
You already said to them.
You can be said. I let you know to say anything that you are want, or you don't want your mommy get boom.
I don't want I don't want to I don't want you to explosion.
Okay. You can say.
Oh.
You can say, okay?
So today my mom is doing yoga out in the rain. That much. Hello. Today, my mom is doing yoga in the rain with my dog. My dog name is Boy because he is a boy. And his original name is supposed to be Money, but I already have a dog called Money, so we put his name as Boy. And right now my mom is doing a sea a sea lion pose. My mom is doing the sea lion pose. My mom is doing the sea lion pose. Wow, your back out your lamb. Your hair look like crazy. No.
You know already my friend love everything Alin have, right? Everything Alin have, my friend love everything. Even mama crazy, but still be good and beautiful. If you are not believe, you can ask them.
This is not a live chat. Signal not available.
I go to Thai first to be relaxed.
Wow, you have a child. Your child is next to you.
So maybe downward facing dog, because dog is here, I will be continue to be downward facing dog and video to be show you as well with the dog be close to me. Okay, everyone, cut your top and relax out your feet and you bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cut your toe.
Look at the coconut tree. The coconut is looking at your butt, Achalam.
Your back and just be upward and drop down. Very deep.
Wow.
1. What you want to challenge with me?
No, I want
Because you are impossible.
because I am more talented than you. So if I do challenge with you, I feel bad for you that I will win. You look. Wow,
Oh,
so cool.
so cool, yeah. Very cool.
No.
Not so cool, very cool. But I get sweating.
Wow, it's so not possible. Can you hear me?
Yeah, everyone can be hear you as well.
Wow, I am an influencer, you know.
You are influencer. I relax. 20 seconds, baby. Can we explain with the child?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Wow, look, the dog is helping your channel. Man, thay mua anh tia. Ơi, 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 ơi.
So everybody, just only sit down and talk
Okay.
together.
Okay.
Okay, you have.
Okay.
Okay.
I just.
Move camera
Okay.
close.
Okay.
Camera close. And I am want to be just relaxing with my baby and doggy. To be talk at the end of the video a little bit more. What do I want to be talking with the
I want to talk about how your makeup is all over here, 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 and here. And
no makeup. I just use my sun cream when I start from the Phnom Penh and arrive my mom house around 12 p.m. and I relax. Oh, maybe dirty from the something on the. Oh boy, sorry. I make you very scary on me, but I just want to be explain and tell everyone to be my trip today. At the Siem Reap province is my first day, and I am very happy to see my mom and dad. And today, my mom she very busy to cook my food for me with the very delicious food. Cambodian noodle is my favorite food. I eat too much and I want to be reduce the belly fat to make I am stay still my body fit. Oh, what's something wrong with you, baby?
wow.
Ah, you crazy?
Wow.
Oh yes. Hey boy, you see the girl? Oh, you are hair matter? Oh, so one thing. Stop, maybe. I talk with something with the truly thing. That mom and dad behind the camera and laughing to see the grandchild and doctor talking with the crazy thing. But fun. That she don't understand everything. What doctor and grandchildren talking about? They are don't know in the English anything. Oh, you are very disturb me. Okay, everybody. So I thank you all us you guys for today joining. I hope all us everyone to be happy and enjoy with my yoga. That I try my best to do yoga at the rainy day, but I get sweat. No, even rain, but too much sweat from my real yoga. Yeah, real yoga. and I am sorry when I am have something to be not good in this video. I hope you are don't mind. I just want to be fun with all of you guys, but it's my real thing from my heart. It's the real life and real thing from me. Just want to share everybody with my real life. Everything is the real from Alin. Okay, bye bye. See all of you guys and see you on the next video. Don't forget like, subscribe, have my channel to see the new video pull every day, and everyone can be help my channel to be growing very good. Namaste and you can see that.
Okay. I today I disturbed my mom very much because I rage bait her.
Podcast for fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And her face is very dirty.
Dirty, yes, because I work on this mat. It's not flexible.
Yes, yes. ASMR.
And today you are very lucky.
Wow. Wow. Bye 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 bye.